Hi folks, I just thought for a bit of a giggle I would do this unboxing. I got this in a box of various leather punches from a friend who very kindly hound them for me because he knew they would be of interest. What I love about this, it says at the top here, not to be opened until required for use, and it had sellotape around it. It's a crew punch, 1 inch by 1/4 of an inch. And on the back, on this label here, don't know if you can see that, it says October 1947, so that's when it was packed. This is all original packaging. I have opened it once before, because why not? I couldn't help myself. Again, it says on there what it is and its part number. I think it was packed by Vernon's Inns Limited for Industrial Limited. It gives a store number and everything there. I suspect, having seen it, I know who the maker is, although it's not actually branded. Again, we've got another little label that says what it is. So they're definitely making sure that you can see what's going on here. This is the original oil paper. There we go, that is a crew punch in all its glory. Oh, I just noticed it does actually have a maker's mark on it. I haven't seen that before. So this is brand, well, new old stock as they call it. Feels very sharp, I've got to say. And no, that isn't a maker's mark, it's actually military issue Arrow and 1947. There's no maker there. So it's marked as a 39, which is a 1 inch. This is very sticky. Needs a good clean. It is absolutely perfect. So what do I do? Do I wrap it back up and put it away until I need to use it? Or do I put it into my rotation and actually start using it every day? I rather suspect it's going to be the latter because it's too nice not to.